Calling all the foodies for the Lip Smacking Foodie Tour. The culinary experience takes place at various restaurants at the LINQ, and our Danny Maston is there live to take us on the tour. Hey, Danny.
Well, we have the best setup for you here right now. We've got some food on the table. I've got my guy Fieri here with me as well. We have Tom and we have Jesus. We're going to get to the food in just a few minutes here, but I have to start with you. Tell me about Lip Smacking Foodie Tour, exactly what you guys do here in Vegas.
Absolutely. So Lip Smacking Foodie Tours has been around for over 10 years, and we take people to the best celebrity chef-driven restaurants in the city in 2.5 hours. And our partnership with Caesars Entertainment and our Celebrity Chef Lip Smacking Tour highlights some of the chefs you're dying to try, all in under 2.5 hours.
I think this is so great. We were just talking, people come to Vegas, they might be overwhelmed by how many amazing restaurants we have, so this makes it easy for them. They've got 4 stops on this tour. Tell me exactly kind of what takes place for this tour.
Absolutely. You meet me at the beautiful LINQ Promenade right out front of the high rollers, so you're starting already with a view. We walk down the promenade, and it's one of the best places in Vegas to just cruise down. Throughout, we're going to visit Fieri, where we are today. We also have Gordon Ramsay, Valastro, and we finish with Dominique Ansel. Some of the absolute best food in the Caesars Entertainment portfolio, and we're so happy to showcase it every day.
Tell me about what went into the process of choosing these restaurants for this tour.
It's a great question. So we, of course, want to highlight these chefs that you've absolutely heard of. I don't know if there's a person who eats that hasn't heard of Fieri, but we also know that not everybody's super engrossed in the foodie community. So they may know about the cronut, but not who created it. Our tour will take you kind of off the beaten path to the places you might not know to go that you really, really should.
That's so awesome. All right, we got to come over here to Jesus. Tell me what you guys are serving up here for this tour.
So we're very excited to partner with Lip Smacking Tours. So we got the Korean tacos over here. We also have the trash can nachos and the strawberry margarita. I'm going to do the reveal for the nachos. This is one of our signature reveal.
That's pretty cool. Look at that. And then it just, I thought it was all going to come falling down.
Not today.
That looks amazing. And I have to say, this strawberry margarita also looks great. That strawberry is like perfect. I think you picked the perfect strawberry for this.
We were saving it for you today.
Oh, well, that's so nice. Thank you. Why did you guys want to be a part of this tour?
We know how popular they are, and it gives us the opportunity to people that have never been to this place to try us out. And we put together a menu that will sample some of our great dishes.
That's so awesome. Okay, where can people get information on this tour? Let's say they want to get some tickets.
Absolutely. So our website, Lip Smacking Foodie Tours, is always available for you. You can find us on TikTok, Instagram, as well as YouTube if you want to check out more about the tour. We are always happy to reach out, give us a call, email us, and we will get you set up for one of our amazing experiences. We do tours with Caesars Entertainment here at the Promenade, as well as several other spots in Vegas, and we would absolutely love to see you.
Awesome. Fun stuff. Thank you both for being here. And Guy, thanks for being with us today as well. I'll send it back to you in studio.